It's Vlogmas Day 25, actually Christmas. And we are going to be making some Christmas pancakes real quick. This is my first time attempting this. Not a pancake, but Christmas pancakes. So let's see how it goes. I think it's gonna turn out really well. Because I feel like if you know how to make a pancake, then you should know how to make a Christmas pancake. Because like, what's really the difference? But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm about to go ahead and prep, and then the actual cooking is often like pretty fast for pancake making. Okay, so these are how our Christmas pancakes came out. They're a little more pink than red, but you get the gist. Real cute. This one kind of reminds me of the Grinch. It looked like the Grinch low-key. But yeah, these are my Christmas pancakes, and I'm about to go eat them. In the spirit of Christmas, I feel like kids would most definitely hit this one. Bet. Christmas pancakes. That's exactly how you do it. Okay, so I have been talking about making chili for the longest, and I'm finally going to start making the chili. As you guys can see behind me, we have my pot. Y'all know I was talking about this pot all last year. I had got it last year. This will be my first time using it. My really cute pink, super big pot. So yeah, we're gonna put the chili in here today. My ingredients on the counter, and we're going to make some honey cornbread as well to go with it. I'm really excited to try this out. I have my iPad with me so that I can refer to the recipe because it's my first time making chili, but I just feel like it's gonna come out good. Anyway, I'm also going to be making a sweet treat as well. You guys know that I've been trying to get in my baking era, and so I'm gonna try to make some like cupcakes or something as well for a sweet treat. So yeah, just the vibes for the Christmas season or whatever today, but it's very much baking and cooking, and I guess labor of love. I don't have no gifts for nobody, so y'all gonna get what I make. So that's how we doing it this year. But let's go ahead and get into this chili that shouldn't take too long, about like 45 minutes to make. And then the cupcakes, maybe like a good 30 minutes or so. Let's hop into it so I can get out this kitchen because I want to go enjoy my day off. Okay, so I definitely need to put mixing bowls on my like list of kitchen needs because I have no mixing bowl. Like, where's my mixing bowls? Anyway, we're about to get ready to start on these cupcakes. I don't have enough eggs. the chili going. What? Chili is going. Yeah. That's a shot. Okay, so now that Christmas is officially over, we are going to do our last day of socks out of our 12 days of socks. It's so bittersweet, y'all, but it's time for it to end, and I definitely want to do another advent calendar next year because this was so much fun to do. We have our very, very last sock of the day. And it's cute. It's pink and purple. I'm already loving it. This is what they look like. I wouldn't say it's the best for last, but I would definitely say I approve. I really like these. Is it for the socks of the day. We are completely done. That's a wrap. Vlogmas has been so much fun, but a lot of work. Next year, hopefully, I'm better prepared if I decide to do Vlogmas. But I had a lot of fun filming it, and it definitely was really nice to keep you motivated and determined to keep posting and picking up that camera. And that's something that I wanted to work on as to why I wanted to do Vlogmas in the first place. It was just to get more consistent because I've been really slacking on that and just picking that camera back up and vlogging and doing little fun things like I used to love to do. So I'm just trying to get back to that. But yeah, we cooking and vibing, taking shots, probably play a game or two. I don't know, but the vibes is very much right on this lovely, creamy day. I guess I'll see you guys when the cornbread and chili is done. Alright, this is how the chili is looking. I cannot believe I made chili and freaking cornbread. Like, what in the world? It looks so good. I'm excited, and I hope that it is good so I can add it to my dinner rotation. From my mom's house, so I'm about to finally finish this cupcakes.